The 2022 Ford GT is a high-performance supercar that showcases cutting-edge aerodynamics and a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine. With its lightweight carbon fiber body and precision engineering, it offers an exhilarating driving experience designed for both speed and luxury. Front power distribution box. The front power distribution box in the 2022 Ford GT manages and protects the vehicle's electrical circuits, distributing power to key components like lights, sensors, and control modules. It contains fuses and relays that ensure proper function and prevent overloads in the system. Rear power distribution box 1. The rear power distribution box in the 2022 Ford GT manages electrical circuits related to the vehicle's rear components, such as the rear lights, sensors, and certain control modules. It distributes power efficiently to these systems and contains fuses and relays to protect against electrical overloads and malfunctions. Rear power distribution box 2. The rear power distribution box 2 in the 2022 Ford GT controls and protects electrical circuits related to additional rear systems, such as advanced sensors, rear auxiliary functions, and certain control modules. It distributes power to these systems and contains fuses and relays to safeguard against electrical faults or overloads. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The passenger compartment fuse panel in the 2022 Ford GT controls and protects electrical circuits for various interior components, such as the infotainment system, climate control, power windows, and interior lighting. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.